Hottober has come to a close. I think you mean October. I said what I said. Let's dive in and talk about this sweaty, spooky month. Climate Central used the Climate Shift Index to understand and measure the impact of climate change on 191 US cities. Now, this October was the all-time hottest of record for 19 of those cities, one of which was Las Vegas, where the summer heat just carried right into fall. And look, it isn't a surprise. Over the last 50 years or so, the average temperature of this 10th month of the year has warmed by, get this, 6.1 degrees on average. Now, 9 of these hottest Octobers of record happened in the state of Texas alone, and 19 other cities experienced at least their top 5 Octobers that they've ever jotted down in the record books. But here's what the Climate Shift Index can tell us. In case you need a refresher, this is daily global temperature attribution science that can tell us where climate change has boosted or made heat more likely. California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Florida stood out as the state with cities experiencing the highest number of days with a climate shift index of 3, meaning days where heat was made at least 3 times more likely in the month of October. 12 of those 191 cities had at least one full week where temperatures were made 3 times more likely, a climate shift index of 3. Now, we know the big story of the summer was the heat in the Southwest, and it just didn't stop. In fact, of the cities analyzed in Arizona, Flagstaff, Phoenix, and Tucson, they were all in the top 10 list of cities with the strongest climate signal. Each of these cities had at least 9 days where they had a climate shift index of 5. Temperatures made 5 times more likely because of climate change, meaning almost virtually impossible to occur in October without human-caused climate change. The full report and to find the data for your city this past October, it's up right now at climatecentral.org. You can also explore the Climate Shift Index and see how climate change is impacting temperatures every single day globally. You'll find it at csi.climatecentral.org.